13. Design and sell t-shirts. T-shirts are at the epicenter of any casual wear for both men and women. Because of their versatility, designing and selling t-shirts has become a popular business venture among many people. People do it either part-time to substitute their pay or full-time as their main source of income. You can also make custom shirts for people. For example, some people might want their child or spouse's picture on a shirt. You can use Photoshop to do any touch-ups and then sell the shirt for a premium price. In order for you to make money with designing and selling shirts, here are some steps you can take. Create inspiring designs. Create impressive images, logos, or compelling text via Photoshop or other graphic design software. Get your creations printed on t-shirts and then start selling them online on places such as eBay and Facebook ads. There are many companies that will print custom t-shirts for you. Some of them include Custom Ink and Uber Prints. Experiment with new and unique ideas that make your style stand out. As they say, there is nothing new under the sun, so don't shy away from copying, altering, and improving on pre-existing designs of logos, images, and text. Be it animals, skulls, pyramids, spaceships, or antique weapons, you can tap into your imagination and create a unique design. With the state-of-the-art materials and techniques available today, you can create designs that were previously impossible. Another quick way to start earning from your t-shirt design work is to create custom designs on request. Custom designs are specific to the person who has placed the request. For instance, some people might want a certain image on their son's shirt. You can easily use Photoshop for such designing and connect with a t-shirt printer. Get registered in any of the online shopping sites like Amazon Merch and eBay. Upload your shirt images and design details on these online marketplaces, which will open you up to a bigger market of customers. Amazon and eBay have a lot of traffic, so you are guaranteed that someone will see your new t-shirt designs. What you need to boost sales is a lot of positive customer reviews and sharing the links to social media sites. Tell your friends and family about your new venture and show them your designs. This can be done by word of mouth or through social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. If you have a lot of followers on social media, this can be a free and easy avenue for selling your shirts. You can upload your design images on a Facebook page and share it with your friends. Instagram also works great, especially when you upload nice photos of your unique design. This is the least costly method because all you need is a social media account and internet connection. How much money can I make out of it? You can actually earn a living online just designing and selling t-shirts. The amount of money you will make, however, depends on your designs, material, and market. You can start by selling t-shirts from around $10 to $20 and upwards as you make your brand stronger.